Raspberries, blueberries. I need to make my chia, guys. You want a Pop-Tart? Literally look forward to my workouts. Like, I get so excited to work out. I'm so excited.
Yeah. Easy come and easy go. I'm just used to what I know. Maybe if I left you in the cold, I'm so sorry. I just need someone to vent to. Maybe if there was a problem, I would be here to fix all your issues. Yeah, talk to me nice. I just wanna play it right. I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight. I'ma show you what it's like. I'ma make it right. Yeah, talk to me nice. I just wanna play it right. I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight. I'ma show you what it's like. I'ma make it right. Make it right. Make it right. Make it right. Yeah. She got a thing for the brothers getting money, and my guys getting to it. She got a thing for moving too fast, and you know she getting to it. Cause the money and the things, the money and the fame, the things I love, they all cause pain. I think too much and go insane. I know she needs someone to save her. Yeah, talk to me nice. I just wanna play it right. I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight. I'ma show you what it's like. I'ma make it right. Yeah, talk to me nice. I just wanna play it right. I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight. I'ma show you what it's like. I'ma make it right. Make it right. Make it right. Make it right. You know who to call when you need someone. Baby, I'ma call her when you know I'm on. Yeah, talk to me nice. I just wanna play it right. I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight. I'ma show you what it's like. I'ma make it right. Yeah, talk to me nice. I just wanna play it right. I just want it bedside. Baby, come over tonight. I'ma show you what it's like. I'ma make it right.
Good morning, Angel Pie. How are you? Did you sleep good today or last night? Welcome back to another vlog. We are in the car, headed home. It's after 7 a.m. We just had a great workout. Today was glutes and quads. You guys know when I say like glutes and quads or glutes and hamstrings, the focus is my glutes. So anyways, glute day, leg day, whatevs. Very good. I can tell that I'm getting stronger. I was able to do the superset, like the squats, the weighted squats, and then drop. Is it called a drop set or something? I don't know. And then you drop it, and then you do the body weight. I was able to go like all the way through. So that was nice. I don't know. It's just so cool to see yourself and feel yourself get stronger every week, which is how you progress. Progressive overload, all the things. It is a Monday, March 23rd. It's officially 1 month from my first day of work. So I guess, what is that, like my month-versary? I don't know. I started February 23rd, so it's very, very cool. We are headed home. You guys know I don't have to log on until 8. Quan, I'll get him up when I get home. Had a very long, productive weekend. If you guys saw the last vlog, it was just very productive and long. The tiredness is coming, but I was able to get through my workout. I love it. I love the Oxy Shred. You guys know back in the summertime I was taking Oxy Shred, and then I went through this thing where I started taking creatine also, and I was just not happy with, like, I was just so bloated and like inflamed, and I was like, it's the Oxy Shred and the creatine. But honestly, I feel great with Oxy Shred. We're fine over here. I do think I was overloading on the L-carnitine because that's in the oxy shred, and I was taking that by itself too, so I think I was just maybe too much. I have no idea, but I'm just doing the oxy shred, no L-carnitine. I am gonna be doing L-glutamine. I've been out, so I'm adding that back in soon. I think that'll be here today, actually. Yesterday I felt really lean. If you guys saw the last vlog when I went to Solid Core with Amaya, I feel good today too. I just ate later. Like last week I did so good with not eating late and just like making sure I'm done eating by 8 for real, like eating at 7. But I ate late last night. Not a lot, but because I ate late, it was just, you know what I mean? I don't like that feeling. So it's alright though. Resetting for today. When I get home, I'm gonna have my hot water with lemon and Celtic salt, my roasted dandelion root and fennel, and then what else? You know, just all the things for the day. So that's exciting. I feel good. I feel great. I'm so happy. So tomorrow I'll be doing Solid Core, and then Wednesday another glute day. Thursday is triceps and shoulders in core, and then Friday is back and biceps and core. So and then Saturday hot Pilates, and then Sunday Solid Core on Sunday. You guys have a great day. I did a little, like when I was just in the locker room, I needed some stuff from Amazon Fresh. I like getting my produce from there because I can get organic and it's affordable. It's a great price. I have been loving having oranges at work. So they didn't have any organic oranges, so I'm just gonna have to get some from Target. I have like 3 left, but I don't know if they're good. They should be good. I finally posted the vlog last night of just announcing that I'm working, so it's so nice to like be caught up with you guys. Not with, well, you guys have, well, based on the vlogs, you guys know, but I didn't announce it for real. Like no one knew for real. So it's nice that it's like finally out. Cause we can just like be up to date. Can you get in your lane, buddy, please? Babes, let me get off the phone. I love you guys. See you soon. Cinnamon, just a little bit.
Just move it.
Remember, don't make a mess. Okay. You're not looking.
I'm looking too.
Okay, good job.
This one is fantastic. This one is fantastic. That's what this.
Pour some water.
Pour some water. It's just not snow. It's just water puddle.
Mix it.
And you mix. I do it.
Slow. Or, you know, gentle.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Some more.
Keep mixing.
We don't turn out to eat them. Okay. Stir the berry. This looks like a mixer. You see?
What are you making?
I'm making pancake.
Yummy.
This looks like slime pancake.
Slime.
Yeah. Slime pancake. You see?
Good job. Okay. Now mommy has to put it in the pan, okay?
Here's look.
Thank you. Pay attention.
That's a lot of bubbles. Hey, Mama. Hammer, it's cold. What?
That's crazy. Was that your first try?
Put your leg under the table. What do you say? You say your grace.
Thank you to eat it. Just eat it.
Amen.
Wow. What do you think around?
Hey guys, I am very tired. Kai, we're just heating up. It is almost 10:30 right now. He is still eating the pancakes and stuff. Pancakes and blueberries. He takes breaks, so I just had to warm him up. But because we don't waste food around here, babes. But I'm about to take this Mode of Matcha Energy adaptogenic matcha gummies. They're just matcha gummies. And I don't even know if they work or if it's a placebo. I don't know. Maybe. But, girl, I'm so tired. I'm about to crush. I'm about to drink my second bottle of water. I don't know if I told you guys in the last vlog, but in the last vlog, you guys know when I went to work out with Amaya, I was like, we had to film a video for OxyShred. I thought the video was due next week, like I thought I was filming it early, but no, it's this week. So I'm glad I filmed it basically. So I just power edited that because it was due today. But I'm about to take this. I've drank my dandelion and fennel tea. And I'm so sleepy, but I gotta wait. I gotta wait to have coffee and all the things. I just got a Amazon Fresh order, so really quick, I'll show you guys what we got. What I got. Remember I said I ordered this? I think I told you guys I ordered this at the gym. Okay, I got some raspberries, blueberries. I need to make my chia, guys. I gotta cook my chia. Cucumber. I'm about to cut all this stuff, honestly, because I'm tired of this stuff going bad. And I use it every day. It just, I don't know. In the containers, it just goes bad. Sockeye salmon. I got some yellow chips. Did you know that these come in an assortment? Isn't that cool? So got some, I'm trying to do like healthier chip options. I mean, those are Lay's, whatever. But I got organic, like little corn chips. Just sea salt, so basically a healthier Frito. Chomps for work. I got guys some more oatmeal, extra virgin olive oil spray, avocado oil spray. I wanted to get strawberries and blackberries, but they were out. So you guys saw I just put in water, aloe vera juice, and then my oxy greens. Now you guys know, if you remember, I've said it before, I think here, that like greens like bloat me up or something, but I was like, you know what, I really wanted to give oxy greens a try. And so I'm sorry if I'm yelling, I have the headphones on, but I just do half a serving and that is like great for me. So yeah, work call. I love you.
Phone helmet. And that's my phone helmet. I can't.
Really quickly, don't mind all the water and stuff, but anyways, really quickly, I want to go over the coffee. So I use ground coffee because I have like a coffee pot machine thingy. Cafe Bustelo, this is the coffee I've been using. And then I put in a scoop, about 4 grams, less than a teaspoon of cocoa powder. So good. Organic cocoa powder, babes. Organic. So I got my cute mug for spring. I have some pistachio milk that by Tashi. I really do like it, but I want to try another brand soon. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. But I just shake it and then I'm going to put it in my mug. I put about a tablespoon, 15 milliliters. No, I'm sorry, 50 milliliters, I'm sorry. Because a little bit goes a long ways. And I'm gonna heat this up in the microwave for 15 seconds. So now I'm gonna put in a dash of cinnamon, literally,
1, 2,
like that.
1, 2.
I'm gonna put just like maybe just like 1 ounce or so of coffee in here before I froth it. Yummy. Let's have a first sip together. Cheers, babes. It is freaking 1:44, but here we are. It's okay.
Yeah, I did.
Yummy. It tastes like a little hint of mocha, like a mocha coffee. So cute.
Christmas.
And I'll normally like stir it in some more, but it's all good and mixed.
This is
When I was making my pancakes, like in between, I made Kai an egg. He likes like fried eggs. He likes eggs, but I made him an egg and 2 like turkey sausage links. So he ate that, and so now he's snacking on some fruit snacks and a little dash of M&Ms, like a little bowl of his little treats, because he's been in bed being a good boy.
He's making a Christmas tree.
Spitting on me. You making a Christmas tree?
Yeah.
All right, I'm watching Love Island UK. Vibes.
Tart.
You want a Pop-Tart?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a real good one. This.
I like to prep the coffee pot and get it ready for tomorrow. That way, like before leaving out for my workout, I'll start the coffee pot. That way it's already hot by the time I get home. Hey guys, I'll work up. It's a few hours later. I feel like I look crazy. But it's a few hours later. It's like 6:30. I'm headed home. I have ran out. First off, I finished my walk. My hair looks actually crazy. I finished my walk. And then Juan came home soon after, and then I ran to Whole Foods because I ate my chia seed pudding, right, with the berries or whatever. And then I was literally scraping the container because I didn't I ran out of the coconut yogurt or whatever. So, and you know, guys, or I'm sorry, this is what I eat for lunch at work tomorrow, and I go to the office tomorrow. So I was like, I have to go get it, even though I'm so freaking tired, but I'm glad I did it, obviously, because I have it. And then also my coworker, one of my coworkers, she wants to try like the chia seed pudding or whatever with the berries, so I'm making her a small thing for her to taste. Like, I'm not making her a full serving just because she said she just wants, you know, not a full one, just so she can taste it. What is happening? But yeah, so I'm excited for her to taste that tomorrow. I'm excited because I'm booked for solid core tomorrow, and I just literally look forward to my workouts. Like, I get so excited to work out. I'm so excited. So I love that, and I just hope and pray that you get that excitement to work out too. And honestly, I'm just excited because, like, I want to be your inspiration. Like, you, Miss Girly Pop, watching this, I want to be your inspiration, because guess what? I'm a 9-to-5 working girly, okay? And I'm making sure I'm getting in what I want to get in, you know? So, like, you can do it. My cousin, she has she has 4 kids, and like 3 of them are like, I don't know, but they're all young, very little, okay? I'm talking about, she about to have a 1-year-old. She got like a 3-year-old, and then maybe a 4, I don't know, and then an older. So she's busy, but guess what? She was like, I didn't feel like it, but I went. She has a gym at her apartment. She and the kids, they went on a little stroll to the apartment gym, and she got her workout in. So I'm just, you know, you just gotta make it work. You gotta find what works and just do it.